Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Pixel 6 Pro and let me share with you how to reset network preferences on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings and now let's scroll down to the very bottom to find the system. Now we have to enter reset options, which are at the very bottom of the list. So let's tap it. On the very first position we've got the option we're looking for. So let's tap on it. Here your device is informing you that it will reset all network settings, including the Wi-Fi, mobile data and Bluetooth. As you can see, here you can also erase downloaded SIMs, but I will leave it like this. So if you're ready, just tap on reset settings. Here your device will also inform you that you cannot undo this action. So if you're ready, tap on reset settings. Probably if you will have the pattern PIN or password, then your device will ask you to enter it, and here we had the information that the network settings have been reset successfully. So actually this is it. This is how to reset network preferences in your Pixel 6 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.